Are you struggling with meal prep and cooking time? But here's what surprised me. The Ninja Mega Kitchen System might just be the answer to your prayers. For the best price, click the link in the description. As a busy home cook, I know how frustrating it can be to spend hours in the kitchen, only to end up with mediocre results. And let's face it, who has time for that? But what if you could have a system that could help you prepare meals quickly and easily? The Ninja Mega Kitchen System is a game changer for home cooks like us. With its powerful 1000-watt motor and multiple functions, this blender can handle even the toughest ingredients with ease. But there's more. This system also comes with a built-in food processor, so you can chop, slice, and shred your way to culinary success. And don't even get me started on the speed. This thing is fast, but I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's dive deeper into what makes this system so special. One of the things that really sets the Ninja Mega Kitchen System apart from other blenders on the market is its versatility. With multiple attachments and a powerful motor, you can use it for everything from making smoothies to pureeing soups. And don't worry about cleanup. The dishwasher-safe design makes it easy to get the job done quickly and efficiently. But what really caught my attention was the price. This system usually retails for over $200, but I managed to snag it for an unbeatable deal that's too good to pass up. So if you're tired of slaving away in the kitchen and want a reliable partner to help you create delicious meals with ease, keep reading. I've got the inside scoop on this amazing product. Let's take a closer look at what makes the Ninja Mega Kitchen System so special. Act 2, Deep Dive. The Ninja Mega Kitchen System is an all-in-one kitchen powerhouse that includes a 72 Oz blender pitcher for large batches, a built-in food processor with multiple blades, a 40 Oz processing bowl for smaller jobs, a dough blade for perfect pizza crusts every time, a tamper for getting the perfect mix. But don't just take my word for it, let's look at what some of the experts are saying. The Ninja Mega Kitchen System is a total game changer for home cooks. I've never been able to make such smooth, creamy sauces in under 30 seconds. Home cook extraordinaire. And here's what I love most about this system. It's not just limited to blending and processing. With the included dough blade, you can whip up homemade pizza crusts, pasta dough, or even cakes. But wait, there's more. This system also comes with a built-in timer and multiple speed settings, so you can customize your cooking experience like never before. And let me tell you, this thing is durable. The BPA-free design ensures that every meal is safe to consume, and the stainless steel blades will withstand even the toughest ingredients. But what about cleanup? We all know how tedious washing up can be. But don't worry, this system makes it a breeze. With dishwasher-safe parts and an easy pour spout, you'll be done in no time. Now that we've seen some of the amazing features of this system, let's talk price. Act 3. Resolution. The Ninja Mega Kitchen System usually retails for over $200, but I managed to snag it for a steal, and I'm passing the savings on to you. For an unbeatable deal, click the link in the description to get your hands on this incredible system. Don't wait any longer to revolutionize your kitchen game, but before we wrap up, let's recap some of the key takeaways from our review. The Ninja Mega Kitchen System is a versatile all-in-one solution for home cooks. With multiple attachments and functions, it can handle even the toughest ingredients with ease. The built-in food processor makes quick work of chopping, slicing, and shredding tasks. And let's not forget the speed, this thing is fast. So what are you waiting for? Get ready to elevate your cooking game with the Ninja Mega Kitchen System. Order now and start enjoying delicious meals in no time.